Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your player ID in Mortal Kombat Mobile. Your player ID in Mortal Kombat is important when contacting customer support, reporting a problem, or recovering your account. So, in order to find that, first of all, launch open Mortal Kombat Mobile on your Android or iOS device and make sure that the game fully loads. Once you're inside the home page of Mortal Kombat, go ahead and tap on the new player button at the top left corner, and this will open up the several menu. Go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button, and you will then be able to see your player ID displayed on the left hand corner at the top. Tap on the player ID to copy the player ID in your clipboard, and you can then go ahead and paste it somewhere safe, or you can also take a screenshot of your player ID from this page and keep it safe and private. That's how you easily find your player ID in Mortal Kombat on Android. Saving this ID is highly recommended in case you ever need help from the customer support or need to recover your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.